Hi YouTube, this is Ebony Butterfly, also known as Felicia, coming at you with a brand new video. For those of you who are returning butterflies, welcome back. And for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. And I encourage you to subscribe and become a part of this party. And yes, I call it a party because we're here to have a good time and look at some Rae Dun and some decorating. Well, where do I start? Last week I did a Rae Dun Valentine's haul, and this week I want to show you how I use those items to decorate my hutch. I have both red and pink items, but I wanted to display them both, and you will see how I did that in this hutch. So keep watching if you want to see how I decorated my hutch. Guys, I just want to share with you my hutch. A lot of the things on here I DIY. So the hearts and the beads I DIY'd. The sign and the kitty house. The sign I got from Hobby Lobby, and the little sugar coated candy, I got that from Dollar Tree. The hearts I got from Target Dollar Spot, and I DIY'd these beads, y'all. These beads took forever to string, but I DIY'd them myself. Again, the little sugar candy house, I got that from Dollar Tree. So proud of myself. I made my little gnome, and the little heart plates I got from Walmart. And this is my little honey section, and the little cakes I got from Michael's. They were in a sale bin.